In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media icons to your Wix website. This process not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your site, but also provides a direct connection to your social platforms, making it easier for your visitors to engage with your content. Let's start by opening your Wix editor, where all the magical customization happens. Once you're in the editor, take a look at the toolbar on the left side of your screen. You'll want to click on the option that says Add Elements, which is symbolized by a plus icon. This area is like your toolkit for building out the site, full of different features you can incorporate to expand on your website's functionality. Now scroll down until you find the section titled Social, and then go to Social Icons. Here, you have the option to either add a complete social bar, which is essentially a row of various social media icons, or you can select individual social icons if you prefer a more customized layout. Simply drag these elements onto your page wherever you feel they best fit, whether that's the top header or along the footer. After placing the icons, click on the social bar itself, and you'll see an option for Set Social Links. This is where the real magic happens. You'll input your social media links like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok, whichever platforms you use to connect with your audience. You can also toggle the visibility of each icon on or off, depending on which platforms you want to display. Once you've added and adjusted the necessary links, click Done. Each icon will now act as a live link directing visitors to your designated social media profiles. Now let's talk about customization to ensure your icons fit seamlessly into your site's overall design. Click back on the social bar or an individual icon and choose Design. Here, you can select from various shapes such as circles, squares, or outlines to match your brand style. The color scheme section allows you to use your brand colors or the existing theme of your site for consistency. You also have the option to add hover effects like fade or zoom to make your website feel interactive and engaging. You might want to resize or align these icons based on your site's layout and aesthetic needs. A pro tip to maximize their impact: consider placing the icons in your website's header. This ensures that they are immediately visible to visitors upon landing on your page. Alternatively, placing them in the footer maintains consistency across all the pages of your site. By following these steps, you'll not only create a visually appealing website, but also enhance the user experience by facilitating easy access to your social media platforms.